Today I decided to start drawing something, but I encountered a problem many artists face. Art block. So I came up with an idea to help out my art block. I made a spin a wheel. So I added a bunch of different things I like to draw and I spun it and ended up in desserts. I was pleasantly surprised because I love drawing desserts. So I decided to draw a cake. Now to start off with a sketch. And now to mix together some paint, I'm gonna mix up some brown paint. And if you want to mix up some brown paint, remember that there should be more red and yellow compared to blue. Alright, now for the strawberry. Okay, now for some highlights. Now for some even more highlights. Finally, some shading. Okay, so I'm going to move on and draw the seeds of the strawberry, also known as giving myself a headache. And here is my end result. Now you can check out this video, or maybe this one over here.